Alright, recording the sewer here at 4241 135th in Bellevue, Southeast. What we're doing here, we had another backup here, and I think what had happened is when we cleaned it out, we pushed a lot of the crap to right in this little area, and it kind of built up in this area, which is a flat section of pipe as is. We got very little grade through here. Get a lot of sitting water, sewage accumulating, etc. And you can see that that section of pipe is actually settled quite a bit. Now that we've got this thing nice and clean, this whole first couple of feet of pipe is very flat. And it's because right there at that joint, we've got some settling going on. Coming back through there, because there's a pretty big lip I'm hitting right here. The camera's getting stuck on it. Right there. Come down, show the rest of the lines open, clean, functioning. End of the video there. Rest of the line's flowing good.